Oljazova to Villafranca have completed a 3x7 and a 4x7, which mean that they are on a really good way to reach their target of the day, that is to complete the Cascade set. They just need to add 2x6. Burgas Veganova have completed their fourth 2x7 set of this season, and here we have the Tirayongas de Manresa in a second attempt to build a 3x7 set. The first attempt was very stable, but Jansenetta had problems to reach the bomb that out, the top 3 levels of the element tower. But this time it has worked out. Here we have it crowned. A nice aleta by the Tirayongas de Manresa. Very well done. 3x7 by Tirayongas de Manresa in Villafranca La Panades, Catalonia 2011.